This is a demonstration on using an EICO model 625 tube tester. We're just going to check a Mullard 15 DQ8 valve. It's also known as a PCL84. First thing to do is we switch it on down here. We'll just wait for the internal valve to warm up. The needle's starting to move there now. We're just going to set the line adjustment first, just to center it. An approximate value there. Now for the 15 DQ8 valve, the shunt for the first test has to be on 25. Filament is set at 12.6 volts. The selector switch here is going to be on 1, but we're just going to leave it in the liner just for the time being. And the up levers are numbers 1 and 2, and the down levers are 3 and 4. So we can insert the valve in now and readjust the meter there to center it so we get the correct filament voltages. So now, as I said, the selector switch is actually going to be on 2 for the tests, and the first test we're going to do is looking for shorts, and to do that we're going to move each of these up levers down one position, one at a time, and the down levers up to the top position, one at a time. All these levers in the center stay the same. So we start with number 1. We're just going to watch this lamp here to see if it glows. Number 2, number 3, and number 4. And it's glowing there. If you look at the chart, number 4 is actually underlined, and that manual tells you that when any lever that's underlined that you move up the 2 positions, it is going to glow. In this case, it's part of the filament circuit. So it's not a fault, so it's okay. There's no leakage or shorts on that one. So that's it. It's passed the test there, so now we can go ahead and do the merit test. Just going to check the line just again on that one. So it's still centered, so that's okay. And selector's on 2 again. So for this one, we just press this button on the right here. As you can see there, we're getting a good reading, about 820, 830. Just a quick warning, when you press this button here, only keep it down long enough to get a reading. If you leave it down too long, some damage to the tester or valve can be done. So that's the first test. Now there's 2 tests on this valve, and for the second test, we're going to rearrange the switches. You can either turn it off here or take that out. It's the safest thing to do. And for this one, the second test, the shunt goes down to 15. The filament voltage obviously stays the same at 12.6 volts. Selector switch goes to number 1, and the up levers are in the 6, 8 and 9, and the down levers are 4 and 7. So we can reinsert the valve again. Just check our line voltage again. So again, that's okay. Just turn down the touch, and that goes back to number 1. Selector switch down to number 1 again. Right, once again we do the same test as before. The up levers go down to the bottom and the down levers go up to the top. Number 4, once again, it's lit, but it's underlined, so it will light. There's no short there. Number 7, number 6, 8 and 9. So once again, there's no shorts on that one, so we can go ahead and do the merit test. And that one is showing about 840 again, so that's fine. That's a good test. This tester also has the 4, 5, 6 and 7 pin sockets, so you can test the very old valves, 1920s, 1930s, along with the 9 pin and 7 pin miniature. You've noticed some holes in the panel here. It's just that the previous owner, or one of the previous owners, has fitted some pin straighteners, which are 2 pin straighteners, which I've removed. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.